So when I started looking for cars to shoot down at pits, I reached out to a couple people online, and one of them who answered was Mike here, and he posted up a picture of this car, and as soon as I saw the color, I knew we had to shoot it. I love the 68. So Mike, tell us about this car. Tell us, how long have you had it? You know, was it originally this color, or was this a color you wanted to change it?
That's the original factory color. I've had it 3 years will be September. When I first got it, it had the typical rust spots.
Okay.
Had to have that taken care of, and then went just complete paint job on the body.
And I think the Gulfstream Aqua is a pretty rare color from what I understand.
Like 1,600.
Not a lot.
Or maybe 3,900.
Yeah, definitely. I mean,
No,
it really pops. You don't see colors like this on modern cars.
No, you don't.
You redid the paint. What else have you done to the car since you got it?
We redid the interior. The dash has been done. It's been rewired. The seats are redone. Put disc brakes on the front.
So you built it to be a driver, basically. You're trying to, you want something you can hop in and go for a cruise. And so what is it about the 68 that kind of attracted you to one of these particular cars?
Just any one of really the first gen.
Okay.
69s I like, okay, but below 68 on down is what really, I just like them.
And how did you find this particular car?
Found it on Facebook.
Oh wow, Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
Rare these days to actually find a nice car at a reasonable price.
It was probably 5 miles from the house.
Oh wow, okay.
Drove over, picked it up, and drove it home.
And then tore it apart.
Tore it apart.
So what's under the hood? Because obviously, I mean, you said you redid the body and stuff. It's got better brakes, better interior. Anything under the hood? Did you beef the engine up at all?
It's a 289, put a cam in it, Edelbrock, high rise on it, 4-barrel. It has headers, dressed it up, cleaned it up, put some new belts and things, put some aluminum on it.
Okay.
Just trying to clean it up some.
And you built, like I said, you built it to drive. It was an original V8 car?
Yeah.
And what's behind? Is it an automatic? I should probably look.
C4.
C4? Okay.
C4.
Is that redone as well?
No, I haven't touched that.
So the trans was still good. So the car was a decent driver when you bought it.
Pretty good.
You just decided to take it apart and make it your own.
Make it as best I could.
So if you didn't have this Mustang, what would be your dream classic Mustang? I'm sure there's plenty here you can probably go look at and probably find one.
I like those GT 350s and the GT 500s. Those are nice cars, real nice cars.
So is it done? Are you done with the car? Do you have future plans? I mean, they're never done, but do you have future plans for it?
Not at this point. Maybe the carpet will be next. Take the carpet out, replace it with a black carpet.
Okay. Basically just keep it and drive it and enjoy it.
Keep it and drive it.
And that's definitely what it's about. Well, thank you very much for sharing it. Beautiful car. Thank you again.
It's a lot of fun.